Hello friends, welcome to a Forex and Commodity Market discussion with SD। जैसा आप लोग जानते हैं कि मैं हूं SD शानंद उदास, मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट। ये जो वीडियो है, इस वीडियो में आई एम गोना लुक एट द ओवरऑल फॉरेन एक्सचेंज एंड कमोडिटी मार्केट का सिचुएशन, both technically and also a bit of fundamentally, along with both the line chart as well through my specialized chart. And largely to do the technical analysis part, we are going to look at the daily chart and more on the 125 minutes chart, and in case by case basis, we are going to take a look at a longer term chart as well. So let me start with the commodity market first. Before I further start off, let me take you to my website. This is my website, as you can see, and the panel जो दिख रहा है ये फोटो में, this is basically a Bloomberg terminal. So here you can check out my social media footprints, where we usually talk about uh, markets and global happenings. You can check my YouTube channel, follow me on X, and also check my WhatsApp channel. This is my X profile. This is the multi-asset channel, as well as this is my YouTube channel, where different topics are available under the playlist. आपको जैसा हो, you can अगर आप further जुड़ना चाहोगे, ये 3 सोशल मीडिया के जरिए आप मेरे से जुड़ सकते हैं। Now let me take you to the trading view, but before हम लोग technical chart पे जाए, I'm going to take a look at some other factors, like what's the economic calendar. Economic calendar, that is important, very important for currency, commodity and global market analysis. This is the calendar, and this is April 2nd. Today is the Trump tariff day, when President Trump has announced कि दुनिया में जो अमेरिका के जैसा ऊपर वो लोग टैक्स लगाते हैं, वो भी वैसा ही टैक्स करेंगे। It is, they are calling it fair reciprocal tax. Basically, what he, I think, looking for is to trigger different trade negotiation and become lot of treaty active and deactive. So ये basically एक disrupting factor है, good bad वो evaluation क्या impact होगा, down up, but this is one thing we can definitely determine, that this is a disrupting, as well as this is a could be a high volatility event, बहुत ही high volatility event हो सकता है। So now we are this is the week। first of all, ये 2 star जो data है उसके ऊपर I want to keep a check on, and those which are more important, like Europe का inflation, it will be more important for my trading rather than Spain का manufacturing PMI. So even dollar related data will be more important than Europe's data. So few data I'll be closely watching, that is let me show you the top ones. This is the inflation data on April 10. This will be very, very interesting for me. As well as on 4th of April, that is the US unemployment data. These two will be the most important, along with other inflation and mainly the PMI data at the beginning of the year. I'm interested for across the globe. Across the globe, PMI data में क्या चल रहा है, ओवरऑल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड सर्विसेज एक पता लग जाता है। सो ये परचेजिंग मैनेजर्स इंडेक्स, इन्फ्लेशन डेटा एंड यूएस स्पेसिफिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड इन्फ्लेशन डेटा के ऊपर मेरा नजर रहेगा। Let me now get into the market. First of all, before I move to the commodity market, I will have to look at the bond markets. And to look at the bond markets, I'm going to use my asset master, that is, and we'll use the fountain of gold setup. So US long-term bonds is showing a opposite sign of recovery. So as the disruptor is coming, so the upcoming move could be pro-inflation. That is interesting. That if it is pro-inflation, then the bond should go down. So this could be a short opportunity in the long-term bonds as the interest rates go up. As the interest rates go up, it can have positive impact on the dollar. So let's look at the more interest rate. Let me take a look at the interest rate. I think in the short run it is coming back, but if I look at the daily chart, it is more of a range bound. So no, even if some pushback is coming, take opportunity. These are more very short term opportunities. Overall interest rate is on the lower side, that is positive, and that is as interest rate has been more calm, we have seen the comeback into equity. Some of the emerging market equity may come back hua hai. Now let's take a look at the US dollar. Dollar is now has been consolidating. Dollar can now start pushing higher once again against the other currencies, and it is creating a good bullish base. So I think dollar can easily test out the 105 area, and then it is opening up a possibility, a possible path towards 106. So this is positive for the dollar. If it's positive, obviously euro is not look should not look too hot. यूरो में एक डाउन साइड अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सकता है, जैसे डॉलर में अपसाइड अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रहे हैं. So euro is facing somewhat downside. So the currency space may I'm seeing dollar as creating some positive comeback in the coming weeks. USD INR, INR's Indian rupee significantly strong hua because of positive inflow into the Indian economy and Indian stock market, Indian bond market. We have seen good rallies, so that supported rupee. But as dollar is recovering, rupee can see some upward push, but rupee has really given some very good move. Because of Trump is less aggressive towards India on tariffs, especially more focused on China. There is a thinking going on, it is better for India, so that has been supporting, and really rupee has been remarkable, and it has opened a path. It has opened up a path, possible paths to move towards further low below 85 area. So this is what I'm seeing, a very good move by Indian rupee, and it may remain like that for still for some time. Rupee once again may go up, but it has very comfortable. Previously हम लोग जो steady depreciation देखे थे last 2024 के through, वो लग रहा है since March onwards overall sentiment rupee के लिए significantly improve किया हुआ है. But अभी भी long term, this is more sentimental move and fund flow move rather than long term picture change like trade balance or budget deficit. So these two remain a long term concern for rupee. So I don't see USD INR declining very sharply. But अभी तक बहुत ही बढ़िया and positive move हुआ है. अब थोड़ा कमोडिटी को देखते हैं. कमोडिटी में हम लोग इंटरनेशनल चार्ट को ज्यादा देखेंगे, उसमें प्रायोरिटी डालेंगे. दैट इज द XAU USD इंटरनेशनल चार्ट और GC1 दैट इज द कॉमिक्स गोल्ड. और ये कमोडिटी देखने के लिए सेटअप को हम लोग कमोडिटी में चेंज कर लेंगे। It has given a very good move, as you can see. Gold has been rising very steadily and remains very bullish still, but now there will be short correction from time to time. It will try to shake off, but abhi bhi trend is quite very bullish. 125 minutes mein I have seen the stop over in gold. These are more exit opportunity using the short term time frame. शॉर्ट टाइम फ्रेम का इस्तेमाल करके एग्जिट कर जाना इज, ये जो एग्जिट है शॉर्ट टर्म को लेके, दिस इज मोर प्रॉफिट बुकिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी। ये जो सेल सिग्नल है इसके जरिए आई हैव नो प्लान टू शॉर्ट गोल्ड, बट बहुत स्ट्रेच रैली है, सो हो सके शेक ऑफ के लिए गोल्ड थोड़ा और नीचे आ जाए एंड 3000 के ऊपर कंसोलिडेट करे। So far in daily chart, no exit has come in gold, not even partial, but yeah, एक stretched move के बाद kind of cool off period मुझे दिख रहा है gold में। Next, I'm taking a look at silver, that is the international silver chart, XAG/USD. Silver का movement you can up, का big correction up, big correction, ऐसा correction की exit हो जा रहा है। कोई अगर डेरिवेटिव खेलने की कोशिश कर रहा है यूजिंग द डेली चार्ट, while gold move is steady, silver move is not. Silver is more erratically behaving, but ये जो है इसको मैं बोलूंगा a shake off. I'll call this silver move rather a shake off. शेक ऑफ बोलेंगे कि जो वीक होल्डर्स हैं, जो भी वीक होल्डर है उनको एग्जिट हो जा रहा है सिस्टम से। लेट मी टेक आउट द लाइन चार्ट और आई यूज द, ठीक है, लाइन चार्ट थोड़ा बाद में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। दिस इज 125 मिनट्स चार्ट। 125 मिनट चार्ट में क्लियरली एक बियरिश मूव चल रहा है, मतलब छोटा टाइम फ्रेम में किसी को भी एग्जिट करा देगा। इवन ऑन द सेल साइड, आई थिंक व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इज इन द लॉन्ग टर्म चार्ट में, इफ आई लुक एट द वेरी लॉन्ग टर्म चार्ट एंड हाइड द इंडिकेटर, ब्रिंग द लाइन चार्ट, what you can see is actually silver is going for the monthly break, and as it is going up the monthly breaks, it is regularly shaking off the weak holders। जो भी कन्विक्शन की तरह होल्ड नहीं कर पा रहे सिल्वर को, उनको एग्जिट हो जा रहा। अब हमारे रेनबो के हिसाब से और फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड के हिसाब से वी आर एट टेस्टिंग अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस, एंड एक सिल्वर का जो पॉसिबल डाउन पाथ है, ऑब्वियसली ये टेस्ट इज पॉसिबल ओवर टाइम। तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में मैं क्या करता हूं कि आई कट डाउन द लेवरेज, लाइक आई रिड्यूस द प्ले इन डेरिवेटिव and rather increase the position on ETA, because once the break is clear, derivative के साथ we are going to get very good smooth ride, which currently is not the case. So focus ज्यादा जा सकता है towards gold and for the derivative compared to the silver. ये कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ता है at the all the time. नेक्स्ट की कैसे आप खेलोगे, हाउ यू आर गोना प्ले द गेम। सो आई एम गोना टेक अ लुक एट नाउ, टेक यू टू द क्रूड ऑयल चार्ट, जो हम लोग बुलिश देखे थे, काफी टाइम से मैंने हाईलाइट किया था कि बुलिश पॉसिबिलिटी। सो नाउ इट इज ब्रॉडली एट द लेवल विच इज मेन रेजिस्टेंस के पास अप्रोच हो रहा है। इफ इट कैन ब्रेक बिफोर 10th of April, there is a possibility कि ये एक slanting zone से break हो, and then we can expect a up move towards $80. And it can also consolidate like this. Different path exist करता है, जैसा मैं बोलता हूँ कि it's a game of probability है. So ये bullish path और भी open आ जाता है, मतलब मेरा reward path और भी open हो. But for now, has been a good ride. Correction is also possible. Important resistance areas reach हो रहे हैं. different resistances areas हैं इस एरिया पे. So एक gradual move के साथ carefully नजर रखना होगा कि overall crude oil कौन सा path follow करने की कोशिश कर. जो लोग shorter time frame में खेलते हैं like 125 minutes chart, एक opportunity दिख रहा है crude oil for an exit on the buy. काफी पहले ही आ चुका है, and it can actually go for a sudden big drop in crude oil. This will be even if it goes bullish. ये अगर bullish होना भी है, there exists a path like this. So ये open रहना पड़ेगा कि it can definitely drop towards this. तो जो लोग buyer है, उनको भी ये ख्याल रहना चाहिए, या that's a possibility. और जो लोग सेलर्स हैं, उनको भी ख्याल रखना चाहिए कि डिफरेंट प्रोबेबिलिटी पाथ क्या है क्रूड ऑयल. So crude oil so far is consolidating, it is clearing up कि कौन सा पाथ होने वाला है. डेली चार्ट को देखते हुए I will remain bullish with reduced position as 125 minutes is showing some weakness in. और क्योंकि डिफरेंट पाथ पॉसिबल है, ऐसा भी एक पाथ है, पर बुलिश पाथ दिखा रहा हूं. ऐसा एग्जैक्ट पाथ होगा बोल नहीं सकते, बट ऐसा ही पाथ और एक पॉसिबिलिटी. तो कभी भी हम लोग फुल्ली बायस नहीं हो जाते हैं. जैसे जैसे मार्केट आगे बढ़ेगा, डिफरेंट प्रोबेबिलिटी पाथ एलिमिनेट होते जाए. Now I'm looking at copper. Let's look at the copper chart, which has been very bullish, and that's more because of Trump's tariff and tariff changes. But I think copper now the rally is significantly stretched. हम लोग का exit होके more of a sitting outside का time है, और एक marginal short करने का chance मिल रहा है copper में, but very low level as the candle is small and also white cross is outside the candle body. Last chart जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं, that is the natural gas or international natural gas chart, that is the NYMEX. bearish, एक करेक्शन के बाद फिर से bearish path open हो रहा है. एक possibility path है कि it can drop via this path. this मतलब exact this path होगा नहीं, but similar to this path. So एक मतलब bigger decline का possible path open हो रहा है with this 4.415 area as the max stop. So natural gas थोड़ा bearish होते हुए दिख रहा है. Of course season खत्म हुआ है. Now is coming the injection or build up period. और US में काफी inventory on the higher side पे build up हो रहा है. So US natural gas का price is going down. However, Europe, so natural gas will move together. Europe, I am more bullish on natural gas. I think Europe is running shortage on natural gas. But as America supply is there, we are not seeing the significant price move. But अभी भी inventory level low है, so natural gas will be an important important geopolitical play, not psychological play, but sorry, geopolitical play going much forward. So company level पे भी opportunity मिल सकता है कि look at who are the leading players in natural gas, pipeline, exploration, production, supply, shipping. So there can be significant value which is right now undervalued in natural gas. So natural gas, I think in that terms because the level of storage in Europe has significantly fallen in natural gas and they really need to build up. And going forward, I think summer to next the winter build up time, especially second half of 2025 can once again start seeing the bullish pressure back in natural gas. So natural gas going under pressure, whereas crude oil is coming back. Gold remains still bullish, whereas silver is kind of a bucking bull style going up. It is in a monthly breakout, testing a very important level. Crude oil gauging what could be the upcoming path. There is a risk of sharp decline in the near term, 125 minutes. And copper, after a long rally, it is taking a pause. The upcoming bounce backs actually can meet sellers in copper. Now last look at charts. This is through the line chart के जरिए quickly देखेंगे gold and silver chart को. This is gold has been very bullish, very bullish, and this ये जो stop loss है यहाँ से हम लोग stop loss को move कर पाएंगे as gold will move higher. After this, gold has been very bullish move. Silver, I think this is clear. The way silver is moving, not exactly in a super bullish path, but silver is moving what we call a bucking bull style movement. Crude oil has given a very good run. Next buying opportunity is likely to be above this swing high top. इसके ऊपर अलर्ट लगाना पड़ेगा. Once it is closing above, that will be re-entry opportunity in crude oil. 125 minutes chart, crude can go for certain big decline. Be very cautious. That's all, friends, on the commodity market and forex market update. I hope this video discussion was helpful to all of you. Agar help hua, don't forget to put a thumbs up. All the best from my side, and as always, happy trading.